Hello and welcome to another video of Gen Math. I am Sir Richard and this is Finding Interest Rate and Time. This topic is still under the compounding more than once a year. So let's proceed. Um, this video is based on the General Mathematics Learner's Material from the DepEd. Um, okay, so example. Example number 1. How long will it take 3,000 pesos to accumulate to 3,500 in the bank savings account at 0.25%. So from this example, we have a 3,000, so this must be the principal. 3,500 is the future value. Now, we have a 0.25% as the rate and compounded monthly. So that is the conversion. So from the given, P is 3,000, F is 35, I12, our denominator rate is 0.25% or 0.0025, and that is M is equals to 12. So J is equals to 0.0025 divided by 12. So our reason is the time, when. Okay, so from this formula, we will try to substitute the given. So 3,500, 3,000, 1,0025 over 12 raised to n. So, si n, yung may value ni m. So, as you can see, n is equals to, ni t rather. N is equals to mt. So, given na to, if we will be able to find this one, then, makuha natin yung value ni t. Okay, so, mula dito, multiplication equality, multiplication probability of inequality. So, multiply both sides by 1 over 3,000. Kaya 3,500 over 3,000 equals to quantity 1 plus 0.0025 over 12 raised to n. Para makuha natin si n, si logarithm ang kailangan natin. So, logarithm of, ilo-logarithm natin both sides. Logarithm of 3,5 over 3 is equals to logarithm of 1 plus 0.0025 over 12 raised to n. So, matatandaan nyo sa property ng logarithm, lipat natin doon sa unahan para makuha natin yung value niya. So, paano punta dito? So, nangyari, bago pumunta dito, that is logarithm of 1.166667 divided by logarithm of 1 plus 0.0025 over 12 equals to n. So, yun yung magde-define ng value ng n. Okay, so, try natin sa calculator. Make sure to have your own scientific calculator. Logarithm. Logarithm of 1.1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Apat lang na 6. Divided by, so ito, logarithm nito, divided by logarithm nito. So, logarithm of 1 plus 0.0025 over 12. That is equals to 740. Okay, so 740 ang value ni n base dito sa nakuha ko sa logarithm. And base ang sagot niya, that is 740 months. Now, if I want to get the time in years, I will then divide it by 12. So 740 divided by 12 is 61.67 years. That is the time that is missing in this formula. Okay, once again, we are using logarithm. So mula dito, logarithm both sides. In-apply natin logarithm. Then yung exponent, nilagay dito sa unahan, yung sa property of logarithm, last first quarter. Then, logarithm of 1.166667, 35 divided by 3,000, plus equals to n log of 1 plus 0.0025 over 12. Ito pa rin, hindi nagbabago. So, once na nakuha ninyo, once again, using your calculator, you will get n is equals to 740 periods. So, t is equals to 740 periods divided by 12 and that will give us 61.67 years. Okay. Yan yung missing time. Okay, in example number 2, how long will it take 1,000 to earn 300 if the interest is 12% compounded semi-annually? How long will it take 1,000 to earn 300? So, ang principal natin is 1K, 1,000. Ang naging interest niya is 300. So, 1,300 ang future value. We have semi-annually. So, dalawa. Ang M is equals to 2. And 12% is 0.12. Okay, so to proceed, this is our, once again, our formula. Apply natin yung mga value. So, 1, 3, 1,000, 1, then 0.06, that equal, raised to n. So, saan nagaling si 0.06? We have 0.12 divided by 2, that's 0.06. So, 1.3, 1,300 divided by 1,000. So, that is 1.3. Ayan. 1.3 is equals to 1.06 raised to n. Once again, exponent missing. Kaya, logarithm natin, both sides. So, logarithm of 1.3 is equals to logarithm of 1.06 raised to n. N logarithm of 1.06, so n is equals to logarithm of 1.3 over logarithm of 1.06, and that will give us 4.503 periods. So we need a whole number to complete the period, kaya we will assume 5. So meron daw tayong periods na 5, 6 months, kasi diba semi-annually. So 6 months, that is 2.5, 2 years and 5, 2.5, 2.5 years. Although, if we will try to use the formula, n is equals to 5, t is equals to n over m, 5 over 2 is 2.5. It will take 2.5 years for 1,000 to earn 300 pesos. And finally, this one is kind of confusing. Di ba? Yung isa pa yan. So, at what nominal rate compounded semi-annually? So, semi-annually is 2. M is equals to 2. Yan. Will 10,000 accumulate to 15,000? So, we have 10,000 as the principal, 15,000 is the future value in 10 years. Time natin is 10. Ang missing natin is the nominal rate. Okay, to proceed. Once again, we have the formula. So, 15,000 is equals to 10,000. 15,000 divided by 10,000 is 1.5. 1 plus j raised to 20. So, 1 plus j raised to 20. Ito, mula dito. So, 1.5 raised to 1 over 20 is equals to 1 plus j. So, mula doon, j is equals to 0.0205. Lipat nyo itong negative, 1 sa kabila as negative. So, j is equals to 0.0205. So, 1, 2. Kaya meron tayong 2.05% nominal rate. Rather, j pa lang to. So, the nominal rate will be, ito, 0.0205 is equals to I over 2. So, to get I, multiply ko yung 2 doon sa kabila. Multiplication property of equality. Multiplication property of equality. So, 2 times 205 is 0.0410 or 4.10%. So, the nominal rate is 4.10%. Once again, kailangan nyo ng scientific calculator to get this value. Medyo mahirap siyang gamitin ng walang calcu. Then, huwag kakalimutan yung mga formula. J is equals to I over M. Right now, si J lang yung nakuha natin doon. At kukunin pa natin yung I. So, J is equals to I over M. So, given na si J, missing si I, given na si conversion. So, I is equals to 0.0410. So, 1, 2, kaya 4.10%. And lastly, At what interest rate, compounded quarterly, will money double itself in 10 years? Medyo confusing, pero we will try to digest or isa-isay natin. At what rate? Interest rate. So, ang nawawala is I. Yan, I. Tapos, quarterly, so M natin is 4. 10 years, so 4 times 10 is 40. Yun yung N naman natin. Then, we have F is double, daw yung money from itself. So, P is P. P is P, so F is equals to 2P. Yan. So, mula dyan, ito yung formula. F is 2P, yan. P is still P. 1 plus J raised to N. N natin is 40, given na. So, 2P over P is 2. 1 plus I raised to 40. So, sa kabila, that will be 2 raised to 1 over 40 is equals to 1 plus J. Then, 2 raised to 1 over 40 minus 1 is equals to J. 2 raised to 1 over 40 minus 1 is equals to 0.0175. Yan. Hindi ko nakuha. Ayan. So, 2 raised to 1 over 40. 2 raised to, kung medyo komplikado sa calculator, 1 divided by 40 is equals to 1.017. Dito, 2 raised to 1 divided by 40 minus 1. So, kung 0.745. Kaya, 0.0175%. Rather, 1.75%. So, 1.75%. So, yun yung J natin. Okay? So, hopefully, komplikado yung formula, but try it on your own. Use your scientific calculator. Medyo hindi pwede yung single line lang. Medyo mahirap siya. And hopefully, masundan ninyo ng tama. And that's all for today. Thank you.